What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are in Doc Allen's house. He is one of my good friends, and how are you doing today?
Good, good.
So I'm here because he's letting me borrow his, what is this, 2020?
2022.
2022 Model Y long range, and he has the 19-inch Gemini wheels. And the reason why I needed those two combination is because shout out to EVBase for sponsoring this video and giving me a set of wheel covers for the 19-inch Gemini Model Y. Thank you, Doc Alan. He's gonna let me borrow his car, and we're gonna go and set it up, install it, and I think it's gonna really look nice. All right, so as you can see, it was very easy to remove the stock wheel covers. Doc Alan showed us, it just snaps right off. And so the EVBase ones also have clips, and they come with these foam so that you can actually put them inside these clips, so when you snap them in, they don't get scratched. So good job, EVBase. All right, so we are gonna put the first cover. First thing we need to do is look for the valve stem, which is right here. Line it up with the hole, and they pretty much snap in place. Woo! Check that out. Oh, I'm digging it. I am digging it. And with the mud flaps too. Ooh wee. Okay, so these also have the center circle adhesive, but it has a black matte finish, while this sticker seems to be a gloss finish, and I don't think it looks, I don't know. It doesn't look that, it doesn't flow well, but let's pretend I stuck it on there. What do y'all think? I think it looks cleaner without it. So we're not gonna put it in. Now they do come in other colors. I believe they also come in red. So just check out the website, but we're gonna install these on the other wheels. So Doc Allen and I were talking after we installed the wheel covers. Although we like the look overall and the installation is very simple, one thing to note is you can kind of see the silver color from the wheels behind it when standing close to the car. You can't really tell when the car is moving. This is the only thing we noticed, and I would like to share with you. Otherwise, I think these covers are great. All right, so we've installed it. It didn't even take that long, and I think it's great. It really looks great. What do you think, Doc?
Ah, looks good. Looks good.
So thank you, Doc, for letting me borrow your car.
Anytime.
Once again, thank you to EVBase for sending out a set of the wheel covers. I got links in the description below. And also do check, because sometimes I do get special discounts, so go check out the description once again. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, Doc.
Bye.